What's up guys? As you can see, this isn't the usual video I put out, and if it's the first time you're seeing me, my name is Andre, but I go by Finance Bull, mostly because my name's kind of complicated. Now, a little over 2.5 months ago, I joined Kaizen, and today I'm actually flying out to Las Vegas where I'll be attending the Bitcoin conference, which is the biggest crypto conference event ever. Now, I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the next couple of days, so in this video, you're gonna be able to see exclusive behind the scenes footage of what it's like to work for Kaizen, some of the raw convos we have as a team, some meetings that are gonna take place, and some late nights and everything else really in between. So once I get settled in Las Vegas, I'm gonna sit down and explain exactly how I got connected with Jung, how I landed this job, and how I went from filming in my room as a side gig to being part of something much, much bigger. So now let me head to the airport real quick. My luggage is already ready, and I'm gonna meet up with the team soon. Peace.
Inside of me, no need to lie to me. I know you got a guy, he's not a guy to me. Just say goodbye to him and take the ride to me.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to welcome you to Las Vegas, where the local time is approximately 1:22 p.m.
I was here earlier. I don't have the room key.
No worries. What is the room number?
65. Yeah,
I do remember you guys. Yeah. So yeah, you guys have access to the private elevator banks over here. If you just take a little turn through this cutout, another left, it's directly in the
Okay,
back.
thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm in Gatsby right now.
Yo, facts though. It's like some unreal stuff.
They always have cookies and stuff on that side.
I don't think she was talking about these. Didn't she say like private elevator?
Yeah, right? She did, right?
Yeah, this is like open for everyone. Watch it be locked, bro. Oh,
It's okay.
how's the Boba?
Pretty good, bro. Not as good as you, though. Imagine, like, you just walk in the room and, like, everyone is just, like, completely naked.
They already hopped out of the shower.
Yeah, so if you're interested in joining Kaizen, like, we do mandatory group showers. So anytime we have a travel come up, what's up, bro?
Nice. Our room tour, Brian. Run the room tour, Brian.
Bro.
Our boy Mason right there.
Honestly, this was Austin. I didn't do anything for this. You got this shit for me.
Dang, Austin. W Austin. Dang, this is nice, bro.
So when you shower, you want to make sure you have like this complete door open. So like,
Where's the shower?
all your
Oh,
boys can see you.
This is fire.
Dang, yo.
Oh, wow. Look at that angle.
So I could play through you as long as I don't play. We'll play together. Hello. Why did it just open? It looked like someone was in
Yeah,
here
right?
already.
We didn't get
someone's
that.
in here already.
Yeah, we didn't get that, bro.
Dang, yo. It's all for John? Hey, man. I put my stripes, I went to the same church, man.
Oh, perfect view
Oh,
of
you
the
get a view of
sphere,
the
bro.
Yeah, we should go see that sphere, bro.
Oh, see it from here, bro.
Oh yeah, bro. You want to see the Lion King, right?
There's some nature thing I do want to see in there.
All for John.
Hey, bro. You want John's extra room?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
I don't know what you're gonna come to.
John, can you read me some bedtime stories? Dude, this could definitely fit a third bed right here.
Yeah, it's low-key big.
That's what she said.
All right.
Yeah. We'll have all the young bucks in this. Y'all cool with that? Yeah. Okay. You turn to sleep on the floor.
Yeah.
Andre's drinking boba for the first time here. What's your review of that drink?
I got the boba in there. Honestly, it's really good. It's definitely my style.
Don't lie, bro.
Got that Korean strawberry milk cheese latte. Low key, 8.5 out of 10.
Dang, not a 10 out of 10?
Good. Nah, it's good.
Why are you?
Do you feel the balls going up in your mouth?
I heard you like choke on it a little. That's why I was laughing.
All right, you got your pass, Arya? So we all got the passes here, and we're about to head to the
saying.
Yo, good morning. Good morning. Oh shoot. Good morning, bro.
I was gonna say this.
This man Andre had the wrong settings on, so just turned it on. It's gonna look a little different.
I was young angel, but these niggas turn me evil. Yeah, I know you, but you really ain't my people. Yeah, I heard some people say they know him as my equal. Truth be told, us son, these niggas, girl, I don't compete.
We gotta run it up one day. Yeah. You interviewed like every one of my friends, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bro. Don't you do like 4 podcasts a day or something?
Yeah, I had 4 this morning, yeah.
What the heck?
20.
That's crazy, bro.
Well, hit me up, dude. You got my number, right?
I do. Yeah. All right, bro. You're based out of here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
For sure.
Man.
All right, take care, bro. What are you up to now?
I mean, off to a couple of interviews right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, send me a note. Well, where are you based?
I'm in the DC area. Yeah.
I'll be in DC the 26th.
Oh, you will?
Yeah.
Here, shoot me your number. I'll shoot you a text.
Send me a note on IG. Yeah, send me a note. Good to meet you, man.
Good meeting you, brother.
Yeah,
cool. Absolutely.
Well.
Take care. You're like a model, bro.
Thank you, man.
These Discord people, it's always a surprise.
Yeah, coming from South America here.
Dang, really? Where?
Yeah, Bolivia, and my family's from Bolivia, but we live in Brazil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We got a team member in Brazil we hired right now. My new video editor. You liking the conference?
I like it. Yeah, I like it.
Nice.
Second day, it's a little crazy. A lot of networking.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I got invited to the Mike Tyson mansion. Yeah.
Wait, whose mansion?
Mike Tyson.
Really?
Yeah. It's been crazy.
What?
Got the institutional side, and then I was an engineer at a hedge fund before this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that in New York too?
Austin,
Texas.
I remember I ran for Senate the first time I'd ever entered politics back in 2020. And one of the frustrations, honestly, that I had with the crypto community as a person who was one of the only people running for office who actually owned Bitcoin, and I still own a fair amount of Bitcoin today. But there's a lesson to take from that experience, which is that unless you guys get involved in politics, politics is going to ignore this industry. You know, one of my great mentors in Silicon Valley always told me that, Bitcoin, that the crypto community was about exit and artificial intelligence was about voice. Well, I know that a lot of people in 2024 in this community chose voice. You chose to speak up and you chose to get involved, and I believe you changed the direct trajectory of our country because of it. But you got to keep on choosing voice.
All right, guys, day 2 off to a strong start. Coming back from the Bitcoin conference right now, going back to the hotel. We just listened into the JD Vance speech. My honest thoughts, honestly, it was a good speech. Wasn't too content heavy. It was more of an overview of what the Trump administration has been doing, what it's been doing, what it's gonna do for the crypto community. So honestly, super excited for the event in general. Looks like a super nice venue, and yeah, we're gonna head back to the hotel, grab some brunch with the boys, and we're gonna head up back to the conference in a few hours, so stay tuned.
I'm so surrounded. Let's go. Hotness gotta get me. Private us that
All right, so right now, as you can see, we're here with everybody. We've got our guest Daniel over here, and we're heading straight into dinner with the boys. We just got back from the Bitcoin conference. We actually circled back there, met a lot of the fans, and yeah, overall just networked with a lot of great people. Got to talk to some traders, especially Brian got to talk to some traders and networked with some big firms, big companies. We just hit a deep work session in the hotel, and yeah, on our way to dinner, and we'll probably recircle back here in a few minutes. Thank you.
All right, listen, I'm gonna play Andre in some basketball right now. If he loses, we're not paying him for the rest of this year. If he wins, we're gonna double his pay for this month. All right, you in?
Let's go on, man.
Okay, I'll let you start. gotta do the whole motion, bro. Dang. Oh. Andre's cooked, bro.
He's not going to no salary?
He's cooked. That's off. Oh, that's in. Whoa, whoa, bro, you're not about to eat no more. He's about to go back on the McDonald's. Oh. We can hire like 3 VAs now, 3 more VAs. Double or nothing? 2 years of pay? Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Hannah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm in your Discord community.
Oh, that's sick.
Yes,
You just see my update in there?
Well, I thought you weren't coming. I haven't been following all the recent texts because I've been busy.
Yeah, no worries.
Yes, I thought you said you weren't coming.
I wasn't, and then like 4 or 5 days ago, I was like, all right, I'm gonna pull through.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It's nice that you came.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun and like, a lot of knowledge.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, thank you so much for all you do for the community.
Absolutely.
I love it.
How long have you been in Kaizen?
For like 1 year.
Oh, wow.
I have grown so much.
Wow.
I mean, I still have a lot to learn.
Yeah.
There's a lot of information.
For sure.
But I'm just there.
Thank you for being a part of my community.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's encouraging.
Yeah, how's the conference been for you?
It's been amazing. This is my birthday.
Okay.
So it's been nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
So can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, yeah. It was great meeting you as well.
It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank you. Take care. Otherwise, it's easy to get sucked into other projects.
I mean, I didn't actually put that much into ski mask dog.
It's a lot. Yeah.
Probably like 10K, 20K.
Yeah. Oh, and then it turned to 100?
Yeah, it's in High Point, I believe it's 100.
100, yeah. Wow, that's crazy,
so
bro.
now I don't know what the price was, but it was 100 when I checked.
You gotta sell on the way up. You gotta listen to my videos, bro. Always sell on the way up.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, but you'll have another chance, I'm sure.
Since I just started, I mean, 2 years.
Oh, wow.
It's not long enough, but it's long enough for me.
Yeah.
Wow, I see you. Can I have a selfie or
Let's do it.
with you?
Absolutely. One of my guys can take it.
Dang, you make my day.
I love hearing that, bro.
Yeah, I know. All right.
Good meeting you, bro.
All right, guys. Now it's time for us to talk, like I promised at the beginning of the video. As you can see, I've already landed in Las Vegas just yesterday, and I met with the team for the first time since I started working here at Kaizen just about 2.5 to 3 months ago. Now, over the last 24 hours, it's honestly been very busy. We've already had a couple of meetings. We've done some team bonding exercises, whether that was eating food or brainstorming new ideas for the content team and the business in general. Now, let me tell you exactly who I am and what I do here. My name is Andre, and I'm a 19-year-old content lead and strategist at Kaizen. Now, just a few months ago, I was honestly balancing a lot of things. I was a full-time student pursuing a bachelor's degree in finance. I was also working a corporate job while also building my personal brand, which is my YouTube channel called Finance Bull, where I create crypto content. Now, I started this channel back in 2020 when I was 15 years old, and honestly, this just started as a passion of mine, but I knew in the back of my mind that I wanted to pursue this and I wanted to make something bigger of it. So let me actually tell you how I got connected with Brian and how I landed this job at Kaizen. And it all started with my personal YouTube channel, Finance Bull, where I created a video last year on Ski Mask Dog, in which Brian actually DM'd me on Twitter. And let me show you exactly what he said. Right here, you can see it says, "Hey bro, great video on ski. You got potential with your content on YouTube. Keep it up." And that's exactly how we got connected. And it just started by me turning into an affiliate with Kaizen and driving about 30 to 35 members within the first 2 weeks. Then I actually messaged Brian because I was asking if they're gonna be at this Bitcoin conference that's happening right now, because I wanted to run into him. And after he replied to my message, he actually double texted me a couple hours later saying, "Hey, send an email to my COO to see how we can work more together." So I sent my email, and after that, I hopped on 2 calls calls with the COO before I even got a chance to speak with Brian, in which we spoke for probably close to 2 hours. Then I went back to the COO, and that one conversation turned into an opportunity where I now sit today in Las Vegas with one of the biggest influencers in the crypto space, Brian Jung. And the reason why I made this switch is because this team actually values the creativity and impact that we put into this company. But honestly, let me stop yapping. My name is Andre, aka Finance Bull in the Discord. You know where to find me.
I mean,
it's like this one says peak concurrent viewers, 39.
Yeah, so like around 30, 40 viewers max.
Yo, what's up, Kaizen fam? Me and Mason here.
Get some tacos.
Yeah, going to do some intern activities. About to get some tacos.
Yeah, get some tacos for after the gym.
Yeah, for Mr. CEO, Brian Jung. So yeah, we're passing the greatest hotel on the strip right here, actually.
Man, Circus. You gotta check it out.
Yeah, Circus, actually one of the top rated hotels here. We're actually staying at the Fontaine Blue, but honestly, it's kind of mid, right?
Yeah, man. Yo, they got clown beds, they got weight, they got skills for your weight, like ours.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Missing a lot of things at the hotel, but honestly, let's just see where the day takes us. Oh, check this out. Who's the bad driver? All right, guys, me and Mason, we're fat. Just got some tacos for the team right here. So, yeah, Mason put it on his intern card. So,
yeah,
W Mason in the chat for that. And yeah, we're heading back to the hotel right there.
Yeah, we're heading back to Circus, man. About to chill on them clown couches.
Let's go.
All right, guys, it is now Sunday morning. The team and I are ready to head to the airport to fly back home, go our separate ways. But that'll conclude the Bitcoin Conference 2025 Las Vegas meetup for the team. And yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you do subscribe to the Kaizen channel. And if you're not already a Kaizen member, you're really missing out. I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you go down below and sign up for a Kaizen membership and join us in the Discord community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.